Hey everyone, it's Nads. Come with me today as I go for my medical examination at St. Luke's Medical Center Extension Clinic. So this is one of the main requirements for my US visa application process, specifically K1 visa. 8 a.m. yung appointment ko sa kanila and nag-breakfast muna ako before pumunta kasi 3 to 4 hours yung buong procedure na first day. And nag-double mask din ako para ma-safe. Tinanggal ko nga rin pala muna lahat ng piercings ko and even my necklace kasi may picture taking dito and chest x-ray. May mga ATM nga rin pala sila sa loob so winidraw ko muna yung 28,650 na medical fee before ako nag-proceed sa cashier. After that, tuloy-tuloy na yon. First, nag-urinalysis ako kasi kailangan sa age ko, blood extraction for IGRA test, x-ray, vital signs, eye test, and physical exam one-on-one with physician. So dito, hindi kailangan na humarin talaga lahat and we got to keep our undergarments on. After that, pinabalik na lang nila ako kinabukasan for my possible immunization. And that's it. In my case, 3 vaccines yung na-receive ko and depende talaga yun sa'yo sa medical history mo and sa age mo. So sa mga magme-medical dyan, stay healthy and good luck po!